If you've ever wondered how to align shapes in Krita quickly and accurately, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to line up your objects using the Arrange Docker. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to align items to the canvas or align them relative to each other. This is a super useful technique for clean layouts, illustration work, comics, and any design where precise positioning matters. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Krita and make sure your document is already open. To access the alignment tools, go up to the top menu, click Settings, then hover over Dockers and choose Arrange. This will open the Arrange Docker, which gives you the controls you need for aligning shapes and objects. Next, make sure you are working on a vector layer. This is important because the alignment tools work properly with vector shapes and editable objects. If you're on a paint layer, switch to a vector layer before continuing, so the shapes can be selected and aligned correctly. Now go to your toolbox and select the Select Shapes tool. This is the black arrow icon, and the shortcut is U. Once you choose that tool, you'll be able to select multiple vector shapes on the canvas. After that, hold Shift and click on each shape you want to align. This lets you build a multi-selection, so Krita knows exactly which objects should be moved together. Take a moment here and make sure all the shapes you want are included before moving on. Horizontal or vertical alignment icons in the Arrange Docker. These buttons let you snap your shapes into place instantly. You can align them left, right, top, bottom, center horizontally, or center vertically, depending on the layout you want. Just click the icon that matches your goal, and Krita will reposition the selected shapes automatically. If something does not move the way you expected, double-check that you are still on the vector layer, that the correct shapes are selected, and that the Align To option is set properly. Those three things solve most alignment issues in Krita. And that's it. You now know how to align in Krita using the Arrange Docker, and how to place your shapes exactly where you want them. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more Krita guides, drawing workflows, and beginner-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.